you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this morning I was looking for a radio, and I found this box. And I'm like, what the heck is this? I don't know what this is. And it looked like I had never opened the box. And I went back to my Amazon orders, and it turns out back in 2016, I ordered 4 radios from QFX, and this was one of the 4. So I guess I reviewed the other 4. I could not find a review of this one. The model number on this one is R-9BLK. That's the model number. And I checked, and they're still selling them, and they're less than $10. This is AM, FM, Shortwave. $10. So let's take this out of the box and see what it is. I did put some batteries in it to make sure it actually worked. I thought, man, maybe it didn't work, and I just put it back in the box. Here's the manual for it. And in a couple of different languages. Throw that away, we don't need that. There it is. $10. Now keep in mind, this is $9.98 or $9.95 or something like that. $10. AM/shortwave selection, and then it's medium wave or one of the 7 shortwave bands up here. Select it there, or you can select FM. Tuning knob here, carrying a little gadget there. Over here we have the on-off volume, headphone jack, and an AC adapter port for 3 volts. On the back, it uses 2 AA batteries. There's your speaker right there. Speakers on the back. Well, actually, the speaker's on the front. Yeah, speaker's on the front. That's for ventilation, I guess, in case it gets too hot. And then there's your FM and shortwave antenna, which is pretty short, maybe just a little over a foot. And that's about it. Pretty cool. So we're going to try it out right now. Let's see. Oh, you got DX local here in case the stations are too strong, which could be a problem. Now, there's a couple of problems with using little radios like this with a built-in antenna in my office. I got 5 or 6 computers running. I got a router. I got a modem. I got all kinds of noise in this room, so it's bad. And the second thing that for these inexpensive radios that have both medium wave and shortwave is some of the strong medium wave stations, and I've got a lot near me, will bleed over into the shortwave band. That's why over here, my SDR play, which is pretty good SDR, I have to use this medium wave filter. Otherwise, it'll bleed into that guy. All right, let's get back here. Let's try this thing out. So I am on FM right now. Put the antenna up. And we'll turn it down a little bit. Then we'll tune it. Okay. We are on FM. It says it's got a little indicator here. For FM, it's a red one and a green one for medium wave / short. And it's supposed to be on FM. Why am I getting any FM stations? What's wrong here? Let me turn it off, turn it back on, do a reset. What am I doing wrong? Push all the buttons. Okay, there's AM. Loud and clear. So what's wrong with FM? All the FM stations go off the air. Maybe this is what had happened before and I never did a review. There we go. I don't know what was wrong. That's loud and clear. There's another one. Yeah, it's working fine. I was down in the lower part of the FM band. Oh, I know what it is. This goes all the way down to 76 megahertz. I think that's international FM, not United States FM. So I was too low. That's what the problem was. Now it's working fine. I'm up here, the upper band's working fine. I think that's the case. Can't remember. I always get confused about, shut up. Always get confused about what the FM band is for United States and what it is for other parts of the world. And many of these Chinese radios will tune that wider band. And I think that's where I was. I think I was down here around 76 to 80. And I think on United States, FM starts at 82. I don't know. But that appears to be the problem. All right. We could try shortwave, and it's probably not going to work. Let's go. So we have to go select AM first, and then I got it turned off.
Yes. Easy mouse.
Okay, now. So AM and FM working fine. Matter of fact, too loud. We got plenty of volume, and it's not distorted. So now we're in medium wave or AM position. So now we go up here and select either medium wave where it is now or one of the shortwave bands. So let's turn it back on, and we'll slide it over. Okay, that's the first one. Now, hush. It goes from 5.92 to 18.87. Nice round numbers there. That's the shortwave bands.
We'll be out next Tuesday.
And it's these bands over here. This is FM, and this is AM, and then it's over here. Now, when you turn it off and on, it goes back to FM. So we got to select AM again, and then we'll see if we can. It'll be a miracle if we can get it here. Something there. That's probably Havana, Radio Havana. It's coming in clear, even in this weird environment I got. Maybe I should quit while I'm ahead. Okay, let's go to another band. I was surprised I got that one station. There's something there. Another Spanish speaking, so it's probably within 1,000 miles of my house. Another weak one. Okay, you get the point. It does receive shortwave, even in this terrible environment I got for it right here. So I think for $10 or under $10, it's a pretty good radio. I don't know. I'm really surprised, and I don't know why I overlooked it and didn't review it. So I'm going to do something special with this and see what we can do to let somebody have a try at this and see if they like it. So check it out, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.